This is the first ever Global Power Platform Bootcamp Denmark happening, and it's a success with almost 200 people join up here, not recorded, not online, physical event. Welcome everybody and enjoy it.
It really is about the community and the users and the customers of Power Platform, and how to try to build a community around something we all like or maybe even love.
Yeah, I'm very excited to have this event here. A lot of people, a lot of speakers, and a great event being done this day.
People who never thought that they'd be writing code and developing solutions and automating tasks and using AI are now having game-changing experiences. They reimagine their own career and the processes and workflows that they use each and every day at work. I'm talking about accountants, finance departments, marketers, sales professionals, sales ops, people who work in the back and front office are picking up these tools like low code and building and creating things that historically were reserved just for professional developers and coders.